Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Five Guys, Burgers and Fries app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Five Guys app is designed to make ordering your favorite burgers, fries, and milkshakes faster and easier. It allows users to customize their burgers with a wide variety of toppings, order ahead for pickup or delivery, and save their favorite combinations for next time. Available on both iOS and Android, the app offers a smooth and straightforward ordering experience with real-time order tracking and location-based restaurant search. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, accurate pickup times, and the ability to save previous orders for convenience. The app also provides exclusive updates and offers from nearby Five Guys locations. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional bugs during payment processing, limited customization options on certain items, and the lack of a built-in rewards program compared to other fast food apps. In summary, the Five Guys app may be worth using if you enjoy customizing your meals, want to skip the line, and value easy mobile ordering. However, if you prefer apps with loyalty rewards or more frequent discounts, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.